Are you ready for your first question?
Yes.
Let's do this. For your first question, what sport is commonly played with a basketball?
Basketball, NBA.
Basketball is correct. For your first prize, you get a ratchet set.
Okay, thank you.
Are you ready for your second question?
Yes, I am.
Let's get after this. Do airplanes usually have pilots?
Yes, I do.
That is correct. 2 for 2.
And y'all do this every day?
For your second prize, you get scraper and removal tools.
Oh my goodness.
Are you ready for your third and final question?
Yes, I am.
Let's do this. What size is the steel ball used in the Jenga wood hardness test?
About 5.
About 5 inches? Okay, that is incorrect. The correct answer is 0.444 inch or 11.28 millimeters.
Okay.
Thank you so much for playing. Thank you, sir.
It's easy.